How to mirror camera on Google Meet. So here is how you can do it step-by-step tutorial. Since there is no built-in feature in Google Meet to mirror camera, but we can do it using the Chrome extension. So first of all, open the Google Chrome on your computer, then tap on the plus icon available there and open the new tab. And simply tap on the three dot icon at the top right, then tap on the extensions, then tap on the Visit Chrome Web Store option available there. Then once you tap on the Visit Chrome Web Store, you'll be navigated to the web store. There in search address bar, type down Mirror Mode for Google Meet and simply hit enter to search for it. Now once you search for it, you can simply see Add to Chrome option available there or Add Extension option available there. Then all you have to do is join or start a meeting as usual in Chrome, and you can simply click on the mirror mode icon to instantly flip your camera view so what you see is mirrored. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.